Hey guys, welcome back to the video guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get Temu coupons for existing customers. So if you don't know how to go and redeem your coupons, you can come here, click on orders and account, and then right here you're going to see coupons and offers. You can click on this, and then guys, what's going to happen guys is you need to put in your coupon code here and click on apply. So to look for coupons, what you can do is just go to Google and search for Temu coupons, and you want to look for articles that are the latest ones. Usually, guys, if you go to Groupon, you're able to find many team coupons that actually work. So you can come here and just come and click on see code here on Groupon on many different coupons right here. As you can see, it gives you the code Groupon 30. You can copy this and go and paste it on Temu.com. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel. Subscribe to frequently asked questions.